Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this revision quiz MySQL Python video series. And today we're going to continue on our little programming for the quiz. So last video we've done some of the incorrect questions. Now what we need to do is actually need to display at the end what the user's gone right and what the user hasn't gone right. So at the end, let's display at the end. Once that's all finished, we're going to display here is display score. We could just let's display incorrect questions first. Let's do this one first. Then we may look at a scoring system. Def display incorrect questions. We're going to pass on the incorrect questions. OS system or OSSys. Clear your screen. Then we're going to say over here, print you got string length of incorrect questions. You got 5 different questions. Wrong. Here is where you went wrong. And for question num in incorrect, or just for question. You can do it this way. No, you can do it this way. It's over here. Print. What we're going to do is we're going to do something to this one. This time we don't actually need to add it. I'm going to put it in input because I just want to see something quickly now. Just see if this works. Is it supposed to? What was that error? Oh, plus. This is a plus there. Just gotta wait for a bit. Interesting. MySQL's not available. Don't I like pass the limit? No. Okay. It's just not my problem if the server went down or whatever. Module. Oh, is it system? I just called it sys. Is it? That's what the error is, isn't it? Yeah, system. I called it sys. System. You got 5 questions incorrect. Here's where you went wrong. Question. You still need to like add it apparently. Apparently still need to add it. Fine, we'll still add it. Question 1, which is the funded small. Print over here. Put over here, print. The correct answer was plus. Or question 6. you chose, and oh yeah, we need to pass. Did I pass that? Did I also return that? I didn't. I also need to return the option selected. What I should really do is I should just upper it over here, so then I don't have to upper it in other places, to be honest. No, I probably don't need to return it because I already got it actually. True. Don't think I do need to return it. Actually, what I could just return over here is I could just return false. True, actually. Actually, check on is answer correct. I can change that to is answer correct instead because I think it will make more sense. Is answer correct? Is answer correct answer? Then we can just say, oh, is answer correct? And what we can say is answer correct? If answer correct is equal to false, then we do this. What we should probably do actually is if answer is correct, pass, else do that. What this means is just if answer correct is true. You don't need to put the equals true because answer correct itself is true, so this will automatically make it true. We may wish to append this with the option selected actually. So we're going to create a 2D array. So another 2D array, yes. Or we could actually create ourselves a dictionary as well, actually. We could also do that. We could actually create ourselves a dictionary if we wanted to. But I think it's fine. We could also actually append as a tulip. We could append tulip if we wanted to as well. There are different ways of doing this. You can do it your own way. There are different ways. There's no correct or wrong way of doing this. Because that means there will have to be some changes made over here though. But let me check that this runs so far well. Now, yeah, apart from this part, this is the part where we have to fix up a few stuff. So if I just print out over here, the question num. What's that going to print out? Let's see. That prints out that. So what we need over here is we need to say string we want is that means we don't need this, does it? No, we still need this. Oh, let me do that again. Well, I need to look at that again. B. That's the first. You got 6 questions incorrect. Here's where you went wrong. 6! How did I get 6? Could have gone 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How could I get 6 wrong? Am I counting too much? How could I get 6? Huh? What? How could I get 6 questions wrong? If option selected is not equal to the all questions question now. Print out the incorrect questions again. Trying to see over here because I couldn't have 6 questions. I can't have 6. I can't have 6 questions wrong. Yes, that's the option I selected, but that opens up with this logic over here. I know. I need to do an else, don't I? Else, return true. Well, it's always just going to return false, or return none. It will return actually none, which is not true. So therefore, it would, yeah. Okay, no. Apparently, no, that did not make a difference. How does that not make a difference? Copy. Print me this. Then input. True. That printed me out true. It's not equal to. Hold on. If option selected, let's just do if option selected is equal to this. Because we've got over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'll be correct, that'll be 6. Then we here return true. Else we were going to return false. Right? Else we return false. Then over here in our logic we're saying, okay, if answer correct is, we just pass it. Else, so that means if it's false, print incorrect answer, but it will store it. Which one's supposed to be the incorrect one? The 2 bytes one, okay. Aha, that one didn't print it, so that one. Okay. Am I counting it incorrectly then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. That's now, yeah, that's now working, yeah. That's working correctly. It's better to see with the option C, I think. It's better to see with the option C. So that's, so let's do 1, C, 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 C. Yeah, some of these I didn't put any options, yeah, we just have to do rechecks on that, some validation checks on that. But yeah, it's best to do with C because C appears more correctly. Some of them we didn't put any answers, so they count as incorrect. So it's this part now, isn't it, that we now need to sort out. So there's some issues with this part. Try and view them. Right, let's try that again. B. It's interesting that incorrect answer still appears. Need to get rid of that, whatever. Where am I printing that? I'm printing that somewhere. Here it is. I'm printing it over here. Let's get rid of that. We'll then decide what to do with that. Display incorrect. So we're doing over here. Okay. Print me out all the incorrect options. All the incorrect questions. Then input. Let's see this. So we've got 2 of them. Okay. Just do for question in incorrect questions. Print me out doing something, I don't know what. Not responding, okay. Just print me out question. Okay. Prints out the question. Cool. So that works. Right. But we just have to make some modifications of it. What we have to say over here, say, okay, print me out question, the first one, the first index, please. Well, this may be an issue as well, though. Get rid of that for now. We'll see. We'll start admin 1, C. Can't convert int to string implicitly. Excuse me? You cannot convert the int to string implicitly. Do I have to convert this to a string? Oh yeah, because it's a number, isn't it? Yeah, because the first index is a number. It was stored as a number, not a string, yeah. Makes sense? Question 0, question 3. Those, of course, will have to be updated by 1. We always have to add 1 to these. But what we could... Having to always add 1. That can get annoying if we always having to add 1. Why don't we just store it with the value 1 to begin with? Good point. Could we do that? Potentially. In the get all questions, you see how we got this part? Put this append. That appends us the ID, which we don't necessarily need, but we're gonna keep it anyway. We're not correct. But we can leave it. Just leave it for now. No, we'll just leave it. Okay, so that prints out the correct question. Okay, good. But what we actually need to get is the actual question. So we just add 1. Just add 1 there. Then when I say this is where we might get a few issues. We want is all questions, and we want is that one is the question 0. And to get the index of question 0 of the all questions. Let's see if that works how I believe it does. Let's see if my thought process is correct. And yes, it is. It's correct. Good. So that works. Great. Great. So that means we can just print out all the rest over here. What we can say over here is we can just print out all the rest for over here. Get rid of this. What we say over here is we're going to say all questions that are done this 0. All questions that are done 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 0. The correct answer was all questions that are done. Did that not copy all of it? I'm going to try that again. And we're going to put 6 there. 6. Correct answer was you chose, and this is where we're going to say you chose. This is where we're going to say over here, you chose question 1. Oh, what's the error? Oh. Too much brackets there. Try and fix this up again. 6, is that not correct? Is that the same as it was before? Yeah, okay. 1. C. We've got 2 of these. We're going to get rid of that, of course, we don't want the printing. And we do have all of this listed. There's some errors, because of this one we have to clear this all out. Because we don't need that. We have to get rid of this printing and this input. Get rid of that, so we can have lovely, lovely function over here not working as we want it to work. Oh, that went too quickly. That went too quickly. So I'm just going to put a lovely little over here, lovely little input. So but what we could actually do is we could do an input from all of them, couldn't we? We could say, oh, input. Yes, so that means what you have to do is you have to C. So, okay, the credits. Thank you. Here's the next one. And then enter it. Shouldn't be twice. Interesting. Oh yeah, it will be twice because thingy input over here. So that means I can get rid of this input over here. I think. Let's see that in action again. C, D, A. So this time I got was 5 questions incorrect. 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Excellent. So that'll be it for this video. The next video we're going to be looking at probably doing the correct answer and scoring, stuff like that. But anyway, guys, if you like the video, please press like, and if you'd like to see the next video, subscribe so you get in your sub box and you get a notification by YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.